Hi friends. So I really wanted to do an unboxing live here at the new space, but my internet isn't hooked up here yet. So I'm just gonna make the video and then I'll post it later when I have Wi-Fi. So my live space isn't necessarily set up yet, but we're going with it. So I ordered some of this stuff quite a while ago, like way before the move. And so some of it I don't really remember. I have like 3 packages here right now, and I think I have a couple more on the way. So I'll have to do another one when those get here, but let's take a look. Okay, let's see, it's green. I think it's a shirt. Ooh, it's pretty, and it's really, really soft. Look, this is super soft. It's like a really pretty dark green V-neck, soft. This is kind of like a basic tee. So while I'm going through all this stuff, and I post this video, let me know what you want me to check in first. So it looks like, what sizes do we have here? Looks like we've got through extra large in this. I'm not gonna spend the time to take them all out and hang them up and stuff because I only have a few minutes on here. Let's see. Some of you might be very happy about this. Some of you might be very annoyed about this. We got, oh no, that's not it. Oh no, I don't have the annoying ones yet here. Okay, let's see. This is Zanana. And it looks like these are curvy sizes. That's in this box right here. Oh, yes. So the crew neck sweatshirts from last year, we had black and pink and blue and green, I think. I love, love, love. I have 3 of them. I wear them all the time. Anyway, super, super soft. So we've got this gray color for sure. I know that we've got, I think we have one more color. So this one is definitely small through 3X. And this is pink, whatever it is, pink. Let's hang up a medium. Oh, I believe this is a restock of a crew neck shirt. Yes. So the crew neck, this color, this bright pink color, sold so fast. So this is the like super soft, everybody loves this fabric. It's not the structured ones like this. This is the super soft, kind of clingy, just like the ones that we've had like in the last, off and on for the last year. And it looks like I think this is, yeah, we got them in small through 3X. I'm pretty sure some of these things we only got like 1 of each size in the color. So let me know what you want me to check in first, and then you'll have to keep an eye on it to make sure that your size doesn't sell out. So I think what I'm gonna do is, the stuff that I got 1 of each size, I'm gonna do a live, and then if they sell out, I'll just restock them. So, but I just kind of want to see how things do first. So with the business kind of change of a structure, I guess, I don't want to bring in too much stuff if I don't have to. I'd rather have more of a variety. Okay, now this is the stuff that some of you will be happy, some of you will be annoyed. So let's see, where do we start here? Don't hate me. This might be the last chance we ever get these snap cardigans. These, you guys know that we've sold, I bet we've sold thousands of these snap cardigans. But I remember I did see they had a few colors available, and I know some people need new ones, so we'll bring in a few colors of them. Like I said, I think these were like the last ones, so I don't know if we'll be able to get any more of these again. So I think magenta, I think is what this color is. And it looks like we did get it in small through 3X. And let's see, what is this one? Snap cardigan in eggplant. And we did get this one in small through 3X. So we unsnap these because they're not really cut to snap. I mean, I guess you could if you wanted to, but we've had quite a few of them when people like pull them apart, the snaps break. And so we always unsnap them before we check them in. I wonder, I might have to seems like a darker purple. It's really pretty. We might have to do new pictures of these, or I'll have to look and see if we still have all of our pictures. Okay, last one, last color. I have an idea for a graphic tee that I want to go underneath this one. So this one, and it is a fall color, so we probably won't check this one in right away, but it is in small through 3X, rust color. So magenta, eggplant, and rust in the snap cardigans sizes small through 3X. And if we've had these colors before, then it'll be a quick, easy way to check in. I just have to steam them all and make sure there's no defects. I'm making a huge mess over here, so don't worry about me. Okay, I lied. I think we have one more. Looks like we got a black snap cardigan in small through extra large. I don't see curvy sizes in here, so okay, don't hate me. I have a big box of other things that are coming soon, hopefully, maybe by the end of this week. And so we'll have to do an unboxing for that stuff. That stuff I'm really excited about, but I didn't want to wait any longer. I got to get this stuff checked in. So it's 4 colors of snap cardigans. What else we got? There's the curvy gray. Oh, I love this. I'm obsessed with this color. Obsessed. I think I wear a small in this one. Oh my god, they're so soft. This green color, to die for. Absolutely to die for. Somebody's trying to get into my building here. I'm not open. This color, absolutely to die for. This is the crew neck like we've had for like the last year. Like I said, we have like 4 colors in it. Green color, this is going in my closet. I think we only got one of each size, but I know we got it in small through 3X. Sorry, it was somebody that was supposed to be here. She was buying one of my racks and I forgot she was coming. So anyways, the most amazing color. So soft, comfy. This is definitely going in my closet right away. I know, even though it's like, I was just outside and it's so hot outside. But, you know, fall will be here before we know it. Back to school is coming. Let's see, what else? It looks like we have 2 clear stadium bags. We've got, oh, this one's a new one, I think. I don't think we've had this one before. So it has gray chevron on it. This one's cool. So this is, it's like a sling bag. So, you know, obviously like this, but you can choose which side you want it on. So it depends on like, if you like it on your right side. I'm running out of time, so I had to hurry up and open them. Next is a stadium bag with this strap. And then the last is curvy sizes in the black V-neck tee because we already have it in the other sizes. So that is our first unboxing video and the first of many, many more to come. So let me know what you want me to check in first.